Monetizing a YouTube channel isn't just about hitting that upload button. It's about meeting specific criteria and making sure that your content does stand out. So here's what you need to know to monetize according to YouTube themselves. First and foremost, you need to live in a country where the YouTube Partner Program is actually available, and that is the majority of countries, but just look into it, Google, am I allowed to sign up for the YouTube Partner Program? Insert whatever your country is. Chances are, for 99% of you, that will be the case, but some countries it isn't, so you need to make sure. The next thing is to keep your channel clean with no community guideline strikes. You also need over 4,000 hours of valid public watch time and more than 1,000 subscribers. Then you can link your Google AdSense account once you sign up for it, assuming that you meet those requirements, obviously, to your channel, and you will start earning AdSense on every single video going forward. It's also important to note that you need to enable two-factor authentication so that if for whatever reason you forget your password, or for whatever reason, like somebody tries to sign into your account, you get the actual text messages so they can't sign in. You get the actual text messages so you can recover your password, recover your account. Obviously, you don't want to lose access to an account where you're making a lot of money on, or you're getting a high amount of views on, a high amount of subs on. So you should enable two-factor authentication anyway, but that is now a requirement to actually do and get monetized via ad revenue. Now, those are still currently the requirements to monetize via ad revenue at the time of recording this video, but YouTube is loosening the restrictions on monetization, which is definitely exciting. Currently, you can monetize via super chats and memberships now if you only have 500 subs, 3 public videos, and 3,000 hours of watch time. Now, obviously, though, the majority of people are interested in the long-term passive income every single month on YouTube via the ad revenue, and that's totally fine, but just understand that you can monetize a little bit sooner in other ways as well within the partner program. You just can't get ad revenue until you have 4,000 hours and 1,000 subs currently. They might roll that back in the future, and maybe even in the near future, hopefully, but currently speaking, that's what it is. Remember though, originality is key. You need your own unique content to monetize. Simply uploading or clipping somebody else's videos will not cut it. It definitely won't cut it long term, and chances are you probably won't even get accepted, so do not go that route if your end goal is ad revenue. And while there's no magic button to install instant success, certain strategies can definitely help you get there quicker, so here they are, right? First and foremost, embrace YouTube Shorts, because these short engaging videos can skyrocket your views and definitely your subscriber count, right? So you can hit that 1,000 subscriber mark really fast with some solid shorts. Now, obviously, that's not going to count towards your watch time, but once you have subscribers, then when you upload your longer form videos, they will get served those longer form videos because they've subscribed. So it's kind of a hack of sorts. You still need to upload normal videos to actually get to the watch time, but you can get 1,000 subs really fast with shorts. So to do that, you just keep your videos vertical, 1080p by 1920p, and we're going to talk so much more about this. You also want to make sure that they're under a minute to qualify for YouTube Shorts. They're like kind of quick auditions that grab attention and grow your audience rapidly. And now you're actually, which is mind-blowing and a game changer, you're now able to link long-form relevant videos on your actual channel to that actual short, right? So if somebody's watching your short, whether it's on a computer, whether it's on a tablet or their phone, there's a link on the bottom to a long form version of your video. It can be any video, but obviously it's better if it's relevant to that. So for example, if I was making like a YouTube short on how to monetize your channel and I had a longer form video of that, I would link to the longer form video of that. It's relevant, it's the same. And then people that are coming from that short where you're getting tons of traffic are then going to go to your long form, watch it, and you'll accumulate watch time. So it has never been easier to monetize a channel, in my opinion, than it is right now. You can funnel, like I said, the crazy amount of shorts traffic all into your long form videos. It's a game changer, so definitely give that a shot. Now, don't worry though, we're going to cover a lot more on that later, and I'll show you how you can use AI tools to create shorts for you automatically right from your own video, right? Like you had an expensive editor working for you. It will blow your mind. You want to focus in the beginning on crafting a collection of high quality videos, because when viewers stumble upon one of your videos and they love it, they're likely to then binge watch a lot of them, if not the rest of them, right? This not only increases watch time, but it also boosts your channel and your chances of gaining loyal subscribers. YouTube loves this. That's probably the biggest hack I could tell you in the beginning to grow your channel. You also need to stay patient and you need to stay consistent, which should go without saying. The journey on YouTube, especially the monetization portion in the beginning, it can kind of feel like a marathon, right? Because it doesn't happen overnight. It's more a marathon than a sprint. In the beginning, though, concentrate on a solid video catalog like we just touched on, because over time, if one of your videos might just hit the jackpot and you don't have any other great videos, it's all going to be for nothing, right? But if one of your videos starts to blow up a little bit and you have that catalog of other high quality videos like we're talking about, that's when your channel will instantly blow up and you'll have a great shot to actually monetize. So that's, again, like I said, what you want to focus on: binge sessions, high quality catalog of videos. Now remember, each video you post is essentially an opportunity to captivate a new viewer. Without a diverse collection of engaging content, even a viral video, like we said, might not really have a lasting impact that you're hoping for. So the goal is to keep viewers on your channel, leading to longer watch time, longer sessions, and ultimately a successful monetized channel. That's the simplest formula. So dive into the process, keep these tips in mind, and start building your YouTube automation channel today. Remember, consistency, quality, and a bit of patience are your best allies in this journey, but you will get there.